हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल पीआर नॉलेज सेंटर। तो आज हम करेंगे फोरम आईएएस का टेस्ट नंबर 10। तो वो 9 टेस्ट हो चुके हैं जो कि पॉलिटी से ही थे। अब मैं आपको बता दूं ये टेस्ट होंगे, ये इकोनॉमी से स्टार्ट है। तो इकोनॉमी में एक सेक्शनल टेस्ट है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो अगर आपने अभी तक टेस्ट नहीं करे हमारे चैनल पे तो जरूर करिएगा। चलिए, पहला क्वेश्चन है इकोनॉमी का। विद रेफरेंस टू द फिजिकल कैपिटल इन इंडिया, इकोनॉमी कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स। आइटम्स है, कैटेगरी है। फार्मर प्लफ है, वर्किंग कैपिटल से। अर्न कंप्यूटर है, फिक्स्ड कैपिटल। यार्न यूज्ड बाय द वीवर इज फिक्स्ड कैपिटल एंड पेट्रोल इज वर्किंग कैपिटल। कौन कितने पेयर्स इसमें सही है ये बताने हैं आपको। पहला इनकरेक्ट है। ये जो है फार्मर प्लफ, ये जो है ड्यूरेबल है और इससे बहुत सारे प्रोडक्शंस होते हैं, तो ये फिक्स्ड कैपिटल है। और कंप्यूटर क्या है, कंप्यूटर करेक्ट है। कंप्यूटर आपका जो है फिक्स्ड कैपिटल ही है। एंड आपका जो तीसरा है यार्न, यार्न वर्किंग कैपिटल है। और पेट्रोल जो है, पेट्रोल क्या है, पेट्रोल भी वर्किंग कैपिटल है, सही है। तो ये दोनों मैच एंड मिसमैच हैं, तो ऑप्शन हो जाएगा 2 एंड 4 इज राइट। देन आंसर दो सही है, बी हो जाएगा। एक्सपोर्ट रेवेन्यू अर्नड बाय द डोमेस्टिक फर्म्स एंड एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन द इंटरमीडिएट गुड यूज्ड बाय द डोमेस्टिक फर्म। एंड थर्ड है एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन कंजप्शन ऑफ गुड एंड सर्विस बाय हाउस होल्ड। फोर्थ है ट्रांसफर ऑफ पेमेंट मेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट to individual. Which of the above are used for the calculation of national income using the expenditure method in India? कौन कौन से हैं? देखिए, इसमें जो आपका है ये एक्सपोर्ट रेवेन्यू अर्न बाय द डोमेस्टिक फर्म है। और ये तीसरा होगा इसमें जो कि है एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन द कंजप्शन ऑफ गुड एंड सर्विस बाय हाउस होल्ड। ये सब क्या है, नेशनल इनकम यूजिंग एक्सपेंडिचर मेथड इन इंडिया है, तो ऑप्शन हो जाएगा सी। नेक्स्ट है 3। With the reference to the present status of Indian economy, consider the following statement. फर्स्ट क्या है इसमें, फर्स्ट है अकॉर्डिंग टू द वर्ल्ड बैंक इंडिया इज ए लोअर मिडिल इनकम कंट्री। क्या वर्ल्ड बैंक के अनुसार लोअर मिडिल इनकम कंट्री है? तो पहला तो सही है भाई। एंड सेकेंड है द पर कैपिटा ग्रॉस नेशनल इनकम ऑफ इंडिया इज लेस देन $1,145 पर एनम। तो इसमें से कौन कौन सा स्टेटमेंट सही है गलत है, एक्सप्लेनेशन कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा? सेकंड इनकरेक्ट है, क्योंकि ये जो लोअर मिडिल इनकम का इकोनॉमिक्स का होता है जीएनआई पर कैपिटा है 1.1 था 100 फोर से जो है 46। तो ये नहीं होगा, लगभग 14,000 होगा मिडिल इकोनॉमी का, मिड 14,005। तो ये नहीं है, तो दूसरा स्टेटमेंट गलत है, तो पहला सही है, तो इसका स्टेटमेंट हो जाए सी। सी आपसे सही होगा इसका। नेक्स्ट है स्टेटमेंट, इसमें से बताना है स्टेटमेंट फिर अच्छा है तो वो उसका है। इन कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ द टर्म रिलेटेड टू डेमोग्राफी कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स। डेमोग्राफी से रिलेटेड है। इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी मतलब क्या है, द नंबर ऑफ डेथ ऑफ चिल्ड्रन अंडर 5 ईयर ऑफ एज पर 1000 लाइव बर्थ। क्या ये होता है? तो इसमें जो है फर्स्ट जो है इनकरेक्ट है। इसमें 5 ईयर का नहीं होता, 1 ईयर के बच्चों का होता है। लिटरेसी रेट की बात करें तो सेकंड है लिटरेसी रेट होता है द प्रोपोर्शन एडल्ट पॉपुलेशन हु हैज कम्प्लीटली प्राइमरी लेवल एजुकेशन। तो प्राइमरी लेवल एजुकेशन थोड़ी ना होता, उनको थोड़े लिटरेसी रेट में काउंट किया जाता है। तो सेकंड क्या हो जाएगा आपका, हु कैन बोथ रीड एंड राइट विद अंडरस्टैंडिंग इन एनी लैंग्वेज। जो 7 साल के हों और उनके पास रीड और राइट करने का अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो तो उसको लिटरेसी रेट में काउंट किया जाता है। गलत हो गया, ये भी गलत है। रिप्लेसमेंट लेवल फर्टिलिटी रेट द एवरेज नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन एक्सपेक्टेड टू द बर्न पर वुमन ड्यूरिंग द इंटायर स्पैन ऑफ प्रोडक्टिव पीरियड। क्या तीसरा सही है? तो जी हाँ, तीसरा भी इनकरेक्ट है, क्योंकि रिप्लेसमेंट फर्टिलिटी रेट इज एवरेज नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन से वुमन मस्ट हैव टू कीप द पॉपुलेशन स्टडी। तो ये नहीं होगा, तो नन हो जाएगा इसका। नेक्स्ट है 5 number question. According to the law of diminishing return in a production function, when more and more unit of the variable factor are used, holding the quantities of a fixed factor constant, a point is reached beyond which the marginal revenue will diminish, the average revenue will diminish, the marginal product will diminish, and the marginal product will increase. आंसर हो जाएगा सी, द मार्जिनल प्रोडक्शन विल डिमिनिश। Next है, which of the following are the indicators of Human Development Index prepared by the United Nations Development Program (UNDP)? Life expectancy at birth, infant mortality, and maternal mortality, and means of year of schooling for adult age 25 year and more. Expected years of schooling for children of the schooling entering age. कितना में कौन सा ये 1 2 3 2 4 5 या 1 4 5 या 1 2 3 4 5 6 सारे स्टेटमेंट। तो छठे का जो है 1 पहला सही है, लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी एट बर्थ है, और दूसरा गलत है भाई, ये सब नहीं होंगे। चौथा है मीन्स ऑफ ईयर ऑफ स्कूलिंग फॉर एडल्ट एज 25 ईयर, ये सही है। और ये 5 भी सही है, एक्सपेक्टेड ईयर ऑफ द स्कूलिंग फॉर चिल्ड्रन इन स्कूल इंटरिंग, तो ऑप्शन हो जाएगा 1 4 5। अच्छा, 7 ही कर रहे थे ना। कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग पर्सनालिटीज, हाउ मेनी ऑफ द अबव मेड अटेम्प्ट टू मेजर नेशनल इनकम पर कैपिटा इनकम ड्यूरिंग द कॉलोनियल पीरियड इन इंडिया, तो ये हो जाएगा आपका। इसमें सभी लोग हैं भाई, दादाभाई नौरोजी, विलियम डिगोई एंड फिंडले सीरस एंड वीके आरवी राव, ये सभी ने किया है इनकम, नेशनल इनकम पे दिया है। With reference to Indian economy, consider the following. Gross national product can be derived from gross domestic product by addition of net factor income from abroad to GDP, deduction of depreciation from GDP, adjustment of the inflation to GDP. How many of the statements given above are correct? 1, 2, 3 and none. 8. 8 का आंसर ओनली 1 होगा। कौन सा सही है? तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज राइट, ये है एडिशन ऑफ नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड टू जीडीपी। यस। डिडक्शन ऑफ डिप्रिसिएट फ्रॉम जीडीपी, नो इट्स रॉन्ग। डिप्रिसिएशन मतलब क्या होता है? कंजप्शन ऑफ फिक्स्ड कैपिटल इज नॉट कंसिडर्ड इन द कैलकुलेशन ऑफ जीएनपी फ्रॉम जीडीपी। एंड तीसरा भी गलत है, तो ओनली 1 इज राइट, ए हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट है, कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट। स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट है, इंक्रीज इन इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स बाय द गवर्नमेंट मे नॉट बी रिफ्लेक्टेड इनटू द वैल्यू ऑफ नेशनल इनकम एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट। सेकंड है, इन इंडिया द नेशनल इनकम इज मेजर्ड एट द फैक्टर कॉस्ट रेदर देन मार्केट प्राइसेस। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट? 9। फर्स्ट इज करेक्ट एंड सेकंड इज इनकरेक्ट इन इंडिया के। तो इसमें है, देखो हिस्टोरिकली इंडिया measured its national income at factor cost which include indirect tax and include the subsidies. However, since 2015, India has adopted international standard and measure national income in a market prices which account for indirect tax and मतलब excludes, मतलब इसमें क्या हो जाए, subsidies भी। तो सेकंड इज रॉन्ग एंड फर्स्ट इज राइट, देन स्टेटमेंट सी सही, मतलब सी ऑप्शन सही है। The gross investment of an economy most appropriately refer to which of the following? Total money value of all the final good and service product in a year. Total money value of the capital good product produced in a year. Total money invested in the country by non-resident investor. Total money spent in an economy on the development of social sector. आंसर बी हो जाएगा, टोटल मनी वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल द कैपिटल गुड प्रोड्यूस्ड इन ईयर। कंसीडर द इन्वेस्टमेंट इन द फॉलोइंग एसेट: brand recognition, inventory, intellectual property, and mailing list of client. How many of the above are considered intangible investment? 11. फर्स्ट इज राइट, इंटेंजिबल ब्रांड रिकॉग्निशन है, इन्वेंट्री नहीं है। इन्वेंट्री रिफर टू द गुड्स प्रोडक्शन एट ए कंपनी होल्ड फॉर सेल, इसलिए नहीं होगा। तीसरा है सही और चौथा भी सही है, ऑप्शन 3 सही है, सी हो जाएगा। Which of the following are the most likely occur if the personal disposable income of the resident in the country increase? Increase in the direct tax revenue of the government, indirect increase in consumption expenditure, increase in the fiscal deficit of the government, increase in the household saving. 12. Answer will be 2 सही है, increase in the consumption expenditure, and 4 सही है, increase in the household saving. Answer will be D. 13 है, consider the following factor regarding a country: increase in the production of good and service, rise in the general price level, inflation, technological upgradation, and reduction in the tax rates. How many of the above factors would definitely contribute an increase in country nominal GDP? Answer will be first is right. Yes, correct. Increase in the production of goods and service. And second, also correct. A rise in the general price level, inflation. And third is incorrect. Technological improvement can lead a greater efficiency and higher production over, but it does not directly guarantee an increase in nominal GDP. Okay. And fourth is also incorrect. Then answer will be two is right. Next, the national income of a country is equal to its domestic income in which of the following types of economies: closed, open, mixed, and planned. Answer will be A, closed economy. Which of the following statement is true? In the increase in demand and supply are equal to magnitude, the price will remain unchanged, but the equilibrium quantity will increase. If the increase in the demand of greater magnitude than the increase in supply, both the equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity will increase. If the increase in supply is of greater magnitude than the increase in the demand of equilibrium, price will fall, but the equilibrium quantity will increase. How many statement is correct? 15. Answer will be D. All of the above is correct. Next, there are certain limitations in using gross domestic product as an indicator of economic growth in an economy. Which of the following statement correctly refer to those limitations? The gross domestic product does not account for the negative externalities occurring in the economy, income inequality within a country, value of non-market trade activities. How many statement is correct? All of the above is also in this statement. Questions correct. Next is 17. In contrast to the microeconomics, which of the following statement correctly describe meaning of the opportunity cost? Money paid by the borrowers money paid by the borrowers to the creditor in excess of the amount that he has borrowed. Cost occurred in the entrepreneur in setting up a new venture. Expense that are avoided by not a performing particular economic activity. Potential benefit that are lost because of selecting a particular option. Option will be D. Potential benefit that are lost because of not selecting. Next question. With reference to the types of good and economy, consider the following statement. Coarse grain are considered as the inferior good in India. Second, as per the Eagle's law, as a household income increase, the percentage of their income spent on food decrease. Both are right here, but not explain the first. Okay. If a gross domestic production deflator value of a country is greater than 1, which does it indicates? It means what? Sorry. It means an increase in the prices of good and service compared to the base year. Next 20. With reference to the various type of the competition in market is perfectly competitive market is one where the entry of firms into the market as well as the exit from the market is free. Each firm is producing non-homogeneous and differentiated goods. All the firms in market are privately owned. The prices are decided by the force of demand and supply. The market consists of large number of buyer and seller. Which statement is right? The entry of firm into the market as well as exit from market is free. Okay. And second is wrong. And third is also wrong. Fourth is right. The prices are decided by the forces of demand and supply. And five is also right. The market consists of a large number of buyers and sellers. Answer will be 1, 4, 5. Economic growth in country X will necessarily have to occur if there is a technical progress in the world economy, there is the population growth in X, there is capital formation in X, the volume of the trade grows in the world economy. Answer will be C. There is capital formation in X. Consider the following statement. The Indian telecom sector is an example of the oligopolistic market structure. Second, Indian telecom sector is largely dominated by few operators, which influence the market supply and pricing of telecom service. Both are right and correct explanation of first statement. Then answer will be A. Next, with reference to the concept of public good in India, consider the following. Rice distributed through public distribution system, unified payment interface, and national defense and street lighting in an area. How many of the above are public good? कितने सारे पब्लिक गुड हैं इनमें से? फर्स्ट तो इनकरेक्ट है, ये नहीं होगा. राइस डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड पब्लिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन थोड़ी ना. यूनिफाइड पेमेंट इंटरफेस, यस, दिस इज राइट. National defense and street lighting in areas. So answer will be 3. Gini index, Gini coefficient is used for measure which of the following: the balance trade between the export and import and nation's economy, the employment rate within a nation, the relationship between inflation and unemployment over a period in nation, the extent of the income inequality among the population of a nation. Answer will be D. The extent of the income inequality among the population of a nation. If farmers' loans are waived in India, how will it affect the aggregate demand in the economy? Private consumption impact via increase in private sector net wealth, public sector impact via changes in the government expenditure taxes, and crowding out impact via higher borrowing by state government, crowding in impact via higher credit availability as a bank NPS fall. How many statement is right? First is 1, 2, 3, 4 all is right. Answer will be B. Next, in the context of the economics, the term sterilization refer to. Sterilization means, it means the mechanism to offset the impact of foreign exchange inflows and outflows on the domestic money supply by using monetary tools like open market operations. 27. With reference to the purchasing power and parity, consider the following statement. It is based on the principle that identical goods have the same price across country when expressed in a common currency. Currently, India is the third largest economy in the world in terms of purchasing power and parity. Both is right. Next, with reference to the microeconomics, marginal propensity to consume indicates what? It means the change in consumption resulting from a change in income. This concept shows a curve on a graph that represents the maximum possible output combination of two goods that can be produced in an economy given a fixed set of resources and technology. The curve illustrates the trade-offs and opportunity cost of the allocation resources between the two goods. Which of the following described in the above passage? Production possibility frontier and indifference curve and budget constraint and offer curve. Answer will be A. Production possibility frontier. Consider the following good: water, designer clothing, and gold jewelry and salt. How many of the above goods generally have a price elasticity of demand close to zero? Answer will be first. First is correct. Water तो है. Water and second is designer clothing is incorrect. Price elasticity of demand of designer clothing is high, not close to zero. Okay. Gold jewelry is also incorrect. And fourth is salt is correct. Then answer will be B. 2. 31st, which one of the following is not correct? The average revenue of marginal revenue curves a perfectly competitive firm are perfectly elastic. The marginal revenue curve of the monopoly firm is above its average revenue curve. It in the long run of competitive firm earn only nominal profit. In equilibrium, the marginal cost curve of the monopoly firm may be rising, falling, or constant. 31st. Answer will be second is wrong. The marginal revenue curve of the monopoly firm is average curve is wrong. Okay. Next, with reference to the Indian economy, consider the following statement. The real gross domestic product of India has steadily increased in the last 5 years. The effective capital expenditure has steadily increased in the last 5 years. जब भी कभी स्टीडली इस तरह के वर्ड आए थोड़ा सतर्क और सावधान हो. फिलहाल first is wrong, not steadily increased in the last 5 years gross domestic product, and second is right. Then answer will be B. Next, consider the following statement. The net domestic product is not usually used in compared to economic productivity of two or more countries. Second, the rate of the depreciation of economies set may vary across different countries. 33. Answer will be both are right and correct explanation of first statement. 34. There are no changes in the taste and preference of the consumers. The income of consumers remain constant. There are no changes in the price of substitute goods, which above are assumptions that need to consider while driving the demand curve. Answer will be all, means 1, 2, 3 is right. Which of the following is the nodal institution of the implementation of sustainable development goals in India? किसके अंतर्गत है भाई सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल? इट्स वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर विल बी नीति आयोग. Consider the following statement. Price ceiling refer to the government imposed upper limit of the price of goods. Price floor refer to the government of imposed lower limit of the price of goods. Minimum support price of agricultural product is an example of price ceiling, while mining wage is an example of price floor. How many statement is correct? 36. First is right and second is also right and third is incorrect. Why? Because the minimum support price जो होता है is example of the price floor and it set a minimum price of agricultural products. Minimum wage in indeed an example of price floor setting a minimum wage rate of labor. Okay, then answer will be 1 and 2. To address the balance of payment crisis of 1991, the government of India implemented a range of the reform in an Indian economy. In this context, consider the following statement. Abolition of industrial licensing for the majority of industrial sector, gradual reduction in tax rates of corporation, promotion of external trade by the reducing the tariff in import. How many of the above measures were introduced as the part of liberalization of policy? 37. Answer will be all. Next 38. With reference to the development of industrial sector during the British colonial rule in India, consider the following statement. The colonial government stabilized a strong base of industrial development by the replacing traditional Indian handicraft industries with modern industry. The cotton textile mills were the first among the modern industries to stabilize in India. The British industrial policies added in significantly strengthening the capital goods industry in India. Which of the following statements is correct? 1, 2, 2 and 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. 38. Only 2 is right. First is incorrect because India was not allowed to develop a strong industrial base. And third is also incorrect because during the second half of the 19th century and the beginning of 20th century, various industries began to develop in India, including cotton, ginns, and presses. राइस एंड फ्लोर माइल्स ये सब तो है, बट इट्स lack of capital, goods and industrial, crucial industrial expenses. It is not right. Okay. Next, with reference to the economy, which of the following is the meaning of price discrimination? Increase in the price of commodity over time, a situation where the same product is sold to different consumer for different price, a situation where government impose a different rate of indirect tax on different categories, good and service, and for general decrease in the price of commonly over time. Answer will be B. A situation where the same product is sold to different consumer for different price. Next, 40. Gross domestic product measures the total value of all final good and service produced within a country domestic territory. In the context, consider the following territory and entities. Territorial water of the country, fishing vessels operated by the resident of the country in international water, ships and aircraft operated by the normal resident of the country between two or more countries, military supplies of the country located in other country, a domestic company operating in another country. For the calculation of the GDP, domestic territory of the country include how many of the above? Only two, only three, only four, and all. Answer will be first and second, third is correct. First correct, second correct, third correct, but fifth is not correct. Then answer will be four, option C. Next, which of the following can be said essentially the parts of inclusive governance? Permitting the non-banking financial companies to do banking, stabilizing effective district planning committee in all the districts, increasing the government spending on public health, strengthening the midday meal scheme. First नहीं होगा, बाकी 2, 3, 4 is right. Answer will be C. Consider the following: income earned by an Indian working in the USA, money earned by Indian resident by the selling a second-hand car, fee earned by lawyer practicing in India, profit earned by the company through manufacturing and selling of new smartphones in India. How many of the above are included while calculating GDP of India? इंडिया की जीडीपी में कौन कौन सा कैलकुलेट होगा इसमें से? तो फर्स्ट इनकरेक्ट, ये तो नहीं होगा, यूएसए में भाई हो रहा है तो वहां पर होगा, यहाँ पर नहीं होगा. Second is also incorrect. Money earned in India resident by the selling of second-hand car. No. Fee earned by a lawyer practicing in India. Yes. And third is also here. Fourth is also here. Then answer will be 2. B. Consider the following international reports and development released by World Economic Outlook किसके द्वारा रिलीज होता है? तो ये होता है इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड, राइट. जियो पॉलिटिकल रिस्क इंडेक्स वर्ल्ड बैंक रिलीज करता है? इनकरेक्ट है, इसको रिलीज करता है यूरेशियन ग्रुप, डायरो कैल्डोरा एंड मटेयो जो है आइकोविलो ने. ठीक है, ये नहीं करता, ऑंकटैट. और नेक्स्ट है वर्ल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट रिपोर्ट, ऑंकटैट. यस, 2 ही सही है तो ऑप्शन बी हो जाएगा. इन कॉन्टेस्ट ऑफ इंडियन इकोनॉमी कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स. केरोसिन इंफीरियर गुड है, लैपटॉप नॉर्मल गुड है, मिल्क है वेबलैंड गुड. आंसर विल बी फर्स्ट मैच है, सही है, इंफीरियर गुड है. लैपटॉप जो है ये भी सही है, नॉर्मल गुड है. मिल्क जो है गलत है, वेबलैंड गुड है. और लग्जरी गुड हुज डिमांड इंक्रीज विद प्राइजेस ड्यू टू स्टेटस सिंबल, तो वो होता है. एंड जैसे लग्जरी कार वगैरह होता है एंड डिजाइनर क्लॉथिंग वगैरह. मिल्क डिमांड में डिक्रीज इट्स प्राइस इंक्रीज फॉलोइंग द लॉ ऑफ डिमांड. Then hence milk cannot be classified as the blend good. Then 1 and 2 is right. Then B. Next है 45. And with the reference to the sector of Indian economy, consider the following statement. Economic activity है sector. Storage of agriculture product produce है secondary, dairy farm है primary, and mineral exploration है tertiary, and weaving cloth है secondary. 45. आंसर क्या आ जाएगा इसका? फर्स्ट इज करेक्ट, सेकेंडरी में आएगा स्टोरेज ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर प्रोड्यूस एंड इनकरेक्ट हो तो सेकेंडरी नहीं प्राइमरी में आएगा ना, तो गलत है। सेकेंड इज करेक्ट, डेयरी फार्म में प्राइमरी में यस। थर्ड इज आल्सो करेक्ट, मिनरल्स प्राइमरी में आएगा। एंड वेविंग क्लॉथ, वेविंग क्लॉथ जो है ये तो टर्सरी में नहीं आएगा। ये टर्सरी सेक्टर क्या होता है, सर्विस होता है ना। मिनरल क्या होता है, फार्मिंग, ये आएगा आपका प्राइमरी सेक्टर में। एंड वेविंग क्लॉथ, वेविंग क्लॉथ ही सही है। तो 1 2 4 सही है, तो ऑप्शन 2 ही सही है। विद रेफरेंस टू द कैलकुलेशन ऑफ जीडीपी, which of the following correct regarding the base year? The year which did not experience inflation in the last decade, the year whose prices are used to calculate the real GDP, the year whose prices are used to calculate the nominal GDP, the year in which the economy experienced the higher GDP growth rate in the last decade. Answer will be B. The year whose prices are used to calculate the real GDP. Consider the following statement. Other thing remaining unchanged, market demand for good might increase if the number of consumer of the good in the market decrease, the good is prevalent good and its price increase, the price of its complementary goods rises, the good is an inferior good and the income of the consumer increase. Which of the following statement is correct? Answer will be only 2 is right. बाकी सब incorrect है। Next है 48. Which of the following correctly represent the gross domestic product gap? It is the gap between real and nominal GDP. It represents the gap between GDP and GNP. It is the gap between GDP in factor cost of GDP in market. तो D ही सही है। It represents the gap between actual and potential GDP. Next, which of the following statements are correct regarding the land reform in India post independence? Land ceiling law imposed limit on maximum size of land which could be owned by an individual. Various states enacted law to fix the maximum amount of the rent that can be charged on the tenants by landholders. Both are right. और इससे पूछा भी था यूपीएससी के फॉर्म में, पता ही होगा। Arrange the following in their chronological order. The first 5-year plan was submitted in Parliament. Second, the National Development Council was set up. The first devaluation of Indian currency and after independence took place. India became a member of the International Monetary Fund. क्रोनोलॉजी में लगाना है, पहले क्या हुआ था बाद में क्या हुआ था। आंसर क्या आ जाएगा, ये पहले हुआ था मॉनेटरी, फिर हुआ था तीसरा 1 और 2, फिर आंसर इसका बी हो जाएगा। ठीक है, तो बात करें इंडिया बिकम ए मेंबर ऑफ इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड 1945 में हुआ था, 1945। एंड इंडिया बिका जो है फर्स्ट डिवोल्यूशन ऑफ इंडियन करेंसी ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस टू प्लेस इन 1949 में हुआ था, 1949। एंड नेक्स्ट है द फर्स्ट ईयर प्लान वाज सबमिटेड इन 1951। उसके बाद लास्ट में क्या हुआ था, ये द नेशनल डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल वाज सेट अप 1952। ठीक है, तो आंसर विल बी बी। तो ठीक है, कंप्लीट हो गया 50 टेस्ट। कितने टेस्ट ना कितने क्वेश्चन आपके सही में बताइएगा जरूर। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, पता करी जाए। जय भारत।